Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. And if you're facing a watch history problem over on your TikTok, like your watch history is not showing over on TikTok, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So make sure to watch this video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you need to require is you're gonna go to your Google Play Store, and over there you have to search for TikTok, and make sure that currently if there is any update available for the TikTok, then do kindly update to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is obviously the update. So you have to update your TikTok to its latest version. Now once you have done with the update, simply open up your TikTok, go to settings, and check if the problem is solved or not. Now I suppose that after updating the TikTok to its latest version, most of the time the problem will be solved. But in the case if you still don't have the watch history option right here, like your problem is not solved, then in the last you have to report this problem. And for that you have to simply scroll down from here, and here you will find report a problem. After that, again scroll down and click on submit a report. And here you have to mention your problem, that your watch history is not showing. Help me to recover it out. After that, you have to submit the request, and as soon as TikTok will get your request, they will notify you back, and within 24 hours your problem will be resolved. So this is basically how you can fix your watch history if it's not showing over on TikTok. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.